Hiya! Trying to change up my beginning. Hiya! Welcome to my tutorial. This one I'm going to show you how to hide the read more button. Quite often I've made websites where I've got my whole content there. There's no need for a read more button. That is all of the content. You don't need to click through after that. So you don't want a read more button in that case because what it does is it opens a new page with the same content, which is kind of wasteful for the user. So here we have it at the moment, and as you can see, if I click through, it shows me the other stuff. So what we do is we're in content, we're in articles, and I should really show you my screen. Um, so here we've got all our blogs. If you can imagine, one of them would be all of the content. Wouldn't really need a read more. So if we go to content and we go to articles and we go to options, and then what I'm doing, I'm hiding the read more. So if you scroll down, you could just hide it here, and then hit save, and there you go. There's no read mores anymore, which is a little annoying if you need to read more, so don't do it then. But kind of useful if your content is always on the screen and you don't want to read more. Don't forget that you've still got linked headings, so you still have that problem. So if you want to change that, you change linked titles to no, and then save it. And then when you come back, your titles will no longer be linked, and then you've solved that problem. So very short tutorial today. I hope that one helps you. I've had loads of times when that's kind of useful because I'm building a site where the content's always on screen. Hopefully it helps someone else. Please subscribe to the channel. We're going to be releasing more videos. Hopefully they help everybody. Don't forget to follow us on all the other socials. Um, Thanks for listening. Please type in the comments if you want to hear anything else, or different tutorials, or if I talk too quickly, or if you've got feedback about how I can improve my presentations. I'm open. Hit me with it. Thanks.